Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop, this week's edition of DIY screen printing. I have 4 1x3 boards cut to 12 inches, and now I'm going to drill in my pocket holes on my Craig jig. And now you're going to place your pieces in your square to make sure they align and are square. Now I'm going to use 1 1/4 Craig jig screws. For the first couple holes you can use a drill. When space gets tight, it's better to use a ratcheting screwdriver. Okay, you're going to lay out your frame, leaving approximately 3 to 4 inches of extra fabric around the frame. That way you can fold it over and have excess that you can trim off after. Now you're going to take the whole thing and smooth it out the best you can. Pull your first side fairly tight and staple it down. Now you get to the opposite side, that's where you pull it really tight to take up any slack that you had. I start in the middle and then go to either side. Pull it tight from straight from the corner. Fold over this edge, kind of like a gift wrap. Tie it on the corner, fold over the edge. There we go. That looks good. You don't want a lot of play in your screen. Okay.